Welcome to Online Business Statistics. My name is Ms. Horn and I will be your instructor. I wanted to do a quick video to help you get started in this course. Right now, we are on the home page. If you click on home, you will always see this page. Here's my email and my Google Voice number. You can call or text or message me in Canvas or email. Here's a picture of the textbook. It is included in the course. And you can click on bookshelf here to access the e-text. And then the weekly assignments are always posted for you to see what's due for the week. So I have already posted the week 1 assignments, and the home page is a good starting point each week. Check it to see what you need to do for the week. Modules is where the bulk of your information can be found. So you will start with the online orientation module and then work your way through the important course information module. You have to do the online orientation module before you can move on to this next module. Once you have completed all the requirements in important course information, you can go ahead and start on your Chapter 1 module, and it will have the icebreaker discussion, and then I always have lots of helpful videos to help you get started with your homework. If you click on your homework, it is actually in my stats lab. So here are the questions. You just click on the question to get started, and each question you have question help me solve this, view an example, and then you can check your answer as many times as you need to keep practicing. And that is where you will access your MyLab through Canvas. So I hope that this kind of helps you get started. If you have any questions, feel free to message or text, and I look forward to getting to know you this semester.